Vector of bools, guys. Okay, there is something special about this. We'll uncover that in this video. Okay, so vector is like this. We all know vector will have one data type and will fill elements of that type, and you can take the reference, or basically you can refer to any of these type like this. So if you'll update X, meaning you are updating list this 0th location. Okay, this is very simple. We all know this. Now let's look at the vector of bool. Similarly, if you have vector of bool, now we're talking, and you want to update this by taking the reference of that particular thing, this is not going to work. The reason is, so we all know that booleans are like 1 bit, and vector, if this is your vector, then 0th location, first, second, and third. And we all know that the smallest addressable element in computer system is 1 byte. So 1 byte is what you can address, not 1 bit. That's why we have space saving vector, or a specialized vector for particularly for bool. So that if you give like 8 different bool elements, it will get packed at 0th location only. So because we'll have 1 byte addressable, and in 1 byte we know we can pack 8 bits. So let's suppose you have true, false, true, then that will come like 1, 0, 1 in the single byte itself. That's why when you're asking that I want to get the first byte, 0th byte reference, you will not be allowed to do this, because you cannot address 1 bit. You can only address 8 bit together, and that is 1 byte. So this is not possible, but it will save bunch of space. So you can see this, you would have wasted like 8 bytes. Now you're just using 1 byte. So 8 versus 1, 8 times faster or space efficient. Now you might be asking how this guy is working. This is very important. That's why I have marked it. You cannot do this, meaning you're trying to refer to the single bit, but print that single bit. How is it happening? So actually C++, as I told, is having specialized vector. It returns a proxy object. Okay. And that proxy object is used here, and that proxy object is used here, and it looks like a boolean because they have made it like that. So there is a proxy involved. So it's like this. You have 1 bit. You want to read that. There is this proxy happening, and then only it is coming to your output. It's not like from here to here directly, like how integer works. No. So there is this proxy thing involved just to save the space. You can see how big saving we are doing here, right? Yeah. So this was the topic, and I wanted to bring this to notice to everyone. So yeah, that's it. I hope you learned something new today. And if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, man. And I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.